think that we have a real opportunity to embrace the future of, and it sounds corny, right? But the future of our world, which is our young leaders and our young entrepreneurs. Schools don't do a good job of teaching people how to think on their own, or to have that growth mindset, or to learn how to expand, or be something different, innovative, courageous. So I think this program, that's exactly what it does.
I've been interested since the beginning, that I actually understood how things work and how the contact with people is essential, and how you can serve society in general, and how you can impact society by what you just present, the product or the service that you're giving.
I think it's really worth it because we're getting a different viewpoint that not many schools or educational systems tell us, because usually they tell us to go work for somebody, be part of the cause and stuff like that. But here we're learning to be our own person, to support ourselves, to be the movement.
I would say that it's worth it. Those 2 weeks that you are taking off of your summer, it's completely worth it because you're investing on yourself and on your future.
A lot of people are interested in programs like this, but they can't really put them out there. They don't have the experts behind them to help mentor the kids and coach them. And so we, hopefully in 5 years, we will be in 3-5 different countries.
The corporate support of folks like Starbucks, Newlink, SAP, Cisco, who we're visiting tomorrow, the Federal Reserve Bank here in Doral. They open up their homes, if you will, and that's what I love, because the kids get to interact directly with executives, very high-level individuals such as those at Starbucks and elsewhere, and they get to hear what the real side of business is from an executive versus what you read in the textbook at business school. So because of this program, we've got kids from Venezuela, Bolivia, Austria, France, and other countries, Dominican Republic, Colombia, Mexico, and we want that the local kids become as global as possible.